Let's look at this exercise. Let's read what's on the top, shall we? Color the rectangles in red. Let's first look, where are the rectangles? Can you find them here? Yes, here is 1, next 2 and 3. So there are 3 rectangles and we are going to color them. Fill in with red color. So you know the shape of the rectangle. We are going to color it in red. And the first rectangle is here. Good. Let's fill it up. Good. Are you happy? Next, here's another rectangle and you can fill it in red. Then, here's another rectangle. You can fill it in red again. Now, look at the rectangle. What is the rectangle? It has got opposite sides equal. So, you can either rectangle this way or this way. Are you happy? Good. Let's take another exercise, shall we? Good. Let's see what is given to us next. Color the squares in green. Let's find out where the squares are. What is a square? The square has all 4 sides equal. Let's look at it here. All 4 sides are equal. Here is one square and here is another square. So are we going to fill it in? We're going to color the squares in green. Let's fill up the first one in green color. Good. And the next one here, another square here. Shall we fill it in green again? Good. Look, so we have filled in. Color the squares in green. And that's what we have done. Are you happy? Good. Next we have other shapes. Let's look. Color the triangles in blue. What's a triangle? Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. Let's find the triangles. We have one here, 1, 2, 3 sides, 3 corners. One triangle here, another triangle here. Now, color the triangles in blue. So we are going to fill this triangle with blue color. Good. Next, we are going to fill this triangle with blue color. Are you happy? Good. So we have 2 triangles and we have filled it in blue. Let's take other shape and see what colors we are going to fill them. Let's read. Color the ovals in yellow. Oval shape. What is oval shape in your mummy's kitchen? Yes, an egg is almost oval. Okay, let's look at the oval shapes here. We have one over here and there's one over here. 2. Color the ovals in yellow. Let's fill up this oval shape in yellow. You like yellow, bright yellow color? Here we are. Are you happy? Golden yellow. Next, we have another oval shape here. Let's fill it with beautiful golden yellow. Good, here we are. So we have 2 ovals and we are colored in yellow. Finally, we are left with another large shape. What is that? Let's read. Color the circles in purple. Where are the circles? Here one circle, another circle, another circle. We have 3 circles and we are going to color the circles in purple color. Good. Here, let's fill it up with purple. Good. We fill the first one with purple and next we have one here, filled it with purple and finally we have another here. The 3 circles and we are filled with purple color. Are you happy? Look how colorful it looks. We have 3 rectangles, we have 2 squares, 2 triangles, 2 ovals and 3 circles and we have filled them with different colors. Did you enjoy the exercise?